Hi friends, I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to cover some other important formulae that that will help out you in your exams. Some of these may have a proof and other may not have a proof. So let's start off. The first comes from the cube and cuboid. So this states that if we take a cube, this is a cube, cuboid, cuboid, cuboid. So let me draw the internal part of the cuboid. So the first formula states that if this is point A, B, C, this point coming out is D, this point E, F, G, and the point inside on the other part, that is the other part of the cuboid, let it be H. So this formula helps us to find out the value or the length of D and C. DC, or let me draw it in some other color so as to differentiate it from the others. Okay, so this formula at your level does not have any proof, so you'll have to remember it. And it states that root ચાલુ છે. It is equal to root L square plus B square plus H square. Here L may be this, B, and this is H. Right, this formula you will have to remember. Then the length of the next formula that you have relates the length of all the 12 edges of a cuboid. This relates the length of all the 12 edges, or let us 12 edges. So this formula will be 4 L plus B plus H. This is the length of all 12 edges combined. Right? So the next formula that you have is for a cube, and this also finds the diagonal of the cube. The formula is, we have the formula root L square. L square here is this. Let me change the color. L will be this, B will be this, and H will be this, because a cube is a form of cuboid, right? So let us write root. What will L be here? S, S, and S. So S square plus S square plus S square. This will result in root 3S square. So this will simplify to root 3S is the length of the diagonal of a cube. And the next is the last and very important formula. This formula is very important. So please listen it carefully. This is a cone, right? Or let me make a bigger figure of cone so that what I'm saying will be visible to you easily. So okay, let me draw it. So this is a very big cone. Let us consider it to be a big cone. Small cone will also work, but for the sake of explanation, this is a cross section of the cone, right? So if you drop a perpendicular from the top, this will be perpendicular. This this length will be r, this will be h, and this will be the slant height. And by seeing this, you would now recognize something. You would think something. Essentially, this all will simplify out by the Pythagorean formula. What does it state? This side square plus this side square is equal, or let me do it with color, another color. It states that this side square, this side square plus this side square results in this side square. So let me write with the same color. This side is h square plus r square will be equal to L square. So this formula is very important and will be helping you out in almost every cone, every numerical which includes cone, because the examiners usually like these kind of questions. Thank you. Keep watching, keep learning, subscribe to my channel, and thanks a lot again.